Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Let's see our project abstract. We are present perform analysis of road traffic in real time from dataset record. User can easily find your road traffic and also accident details. We illustrate the use of this framework with example from the large database of the real road traffic data collected from several areas in Europe. The data mining is a technique have been proven to be very valuable for the detection of anomalies in the road traffic. However, the normally anomaly detection is a complex and a not well defined problem, and therefore automatic data mining approaches do not work well. The detection and prediction of accident or near accident situation is very complex task. It normally involves the analysis of integration large amount of heterogeneous data, a sensor from vehicle and road and traffic conditions, weather report and driver behavior, etc., using a human expertise. The overall aim of this work is to investigate how to support expert analysts who export large volume of multidimensional road traffic data for the improvement of safe driving. Present a visual analytical framework that proven support for exploring of multidimensional road traffic data and analysis of normal behavior models built from data. The detection of anomalous event. The main theme of our project is finding a traffic area and also anomalies for due to the traffic. So that is important thing. So finding these details in using by large collected data set, and these results is displayed in graph both as well as on Google Map. Let's we see our project demo. This is the home form of our project. After here is show right corner, so right arrow, click this picture box. After that we open this process page. Here is show the two types: upload a traffic statistic data and upload a geolocation and data statistics. Initially we click here upload traffic data statistic data. After that open here uploading dataset page. Here we show that this picture box. Now the traffic accident dataset, click, then open. After that now see that traffic dataset loaded successfully message, and in the right side corner shows that dataset file name and also file count, number of list in this dataset, and execution time. Then in the right side bottom you show the next arrow. I click this button. Now see, now we perform the pre-processing in this record. And before pre-processing, the before pre-processing contain here some semicolon and unwanted space. This pre-processing is a filtering process. We should remove this semicolon data. They click this picture box. After that open the picture box successfully message. Now they see the semicolon removed after processing. In the right side corner, in this we see the type of vehicle and age limit, and this is the two image. After that extract the details on type particular vehicle and age limit between 20 to 50 and area of Europe, and this is the feature extraction process. After that we click a right side bottom corner, then open here, see the vehicle type. User wants to find a vehicle's type of accident, and heavy vehicle details, and also motorbike details and accident reason. the road work type, and the accident details depends on road work, signal malfunction, and accident, double parking or road damage. Here they show that. After that we can perform a second data set uploader. Here is show the upload a location data set. Now see the location data set load successfully message. After that we click this right channel play. Similarly, this data set also contain a unwanted space or and also semicolon. Here click this picture box. After that we see the pre-process successfully message. In this before pre-processing contain some semicolon. After pre-processing remove this unwanted space and also semicolon. After that click this button. Now in this location data set here perform some traffic analysis, extract a particular data. In this process we initially put a city and type of country selected: France, Italy, UK, Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden and Norway. These countries are in Europe continent, so that reason click extract details. Now we see that extract these details that contain a city, country, latitude, longitude and traffic description. After the right click it shows that. Now we perform a analyzing of data, and the reason for completing similarly, and after that we click this button. Here you see that two reports type. First one is display a result graph, and second one is generate a Google map. And if you click here right first one, and this is the two types graph. First one here vehicle accident details. This contain which anomalies cause more or lower accident details, and also second one is shows that which vehicle has occur frequently, highest and lowest accident content. After that we perform the generate a map. We click this button, then open a Google browser here. Now user can view a search a particular type of area on particular area. Here is search as Chennai distance, so aerial distance with Chennai to Ramenshwaram. Here shows that. After that we will perform map process. Now user can generate a map on traffic. Initially we have to enter a location. France means click that. Now see the traffic area on the France, which reason is a road work, and this is signal malfunction details. This is signal malfunction, this is a road work, so that traffic. So user can view a anomaly for traffic by using this video, and also user wants to go this traffic means click this page. When we go to the street view on the particular by using a Google map. Similarly we have to view another country means put a country name in this text box and click enter. Then open this Italy country. We can zoom the particular details, and here also you see that what are the reasons for making a traffic. We also open the accident area details. Thank you for watching our video.